Hey guys, welcome to a new tutorial. My name is Isaac Matthew. You can find me on mathmega.com. In today's video, I'll be showing us a quick video. So in today's video, we'll be looking at how to whiten teeth. Very easy way to whiten teeth. Now, if you are looking at my screen, you'll see the top image here is they are the same image, but if you check the whiteness of the teeth, they are not the same, because I actually did this teeth whitening in a different way. So without any further ado, let's head straight to the video so that I can be able to show you the two ways you can actually do this. But first, I want to say this: if you've been using this pattern of creating black and white inversion and using Ctrl I to invert, then you start brushing, I don't think this is the best way to whiten teeth, because I've seen a couple of videos that people normally use this particular pattern, and after brushing the teeth you still see that the teeth looks kind of weird or blue in color or stuffs like that. So in today's video, I'll be showing you the quick way and best way you can whiten teeth in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's head straight to it. So the first thing I do here, I will right click on this icon here, then choose Hue Saturation. Now if you select Hue and Saturation, nothing will happen. So what do we do? Have to if you look at this arrow here, you see that it's on master, so click on it, bring it down to, because what we are working on is yellow, so select yellow, then bring this down very much, then highlight this, then bring this down a bit. Now when you look at this image, you discover that this whole process we are doing is equally affecting the image, so but don't worry about that, we gonna tackle that. So when you bring this thing down like this, bring this one up, so the next thing you do, have to use Ctrl I to invert. Now pick your brush tool, the first one here, then zoom very close and start brushing. Okay, as you are brushing, just be very careful so that you won't brush the skin. Brush carefully. All right, okay, so this is perfect. This is very perfect. Now let's check the before and after. So this is the before, this is the after. So if there is a way that what we did, you discover that it still affects the entire image, so you can still come here and bring this down so that some of your colors can be restored. Then if the teeth is not white enough, you can just bring this thing up. Now let's see before and after. So let me go back to the previous image so that we can see the difference between the two. So the first one was done using this pattern. Now the second one was done using black and white. So when you look at these two images, you see that the upper one is more is looking more whitish than the second one. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell notification icon for notification anytime we put up a new video. I'll see you in my next video.